In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate your Microsoft Teams audio settings to optimize your experience, whether you're working from home, attending a virtual meeting, or just catching up with colleagues. Let's dive in and make sure your audio is as crystal clear as it can be. First, let's get started by heading over to Microsoft Teams. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL or simply search for Microsoft Teams. Once you're there, log into your account with your credentials. Be sure you have all your login information handy. Otherwise, you might find yourself having to reset your password, which can take a little more time. Once you're logged in, locate the top right corner of your Teams window. You'll see your profile picture or initials. Right next to your profile icon, there's a handy button represented by 3 dots. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu filled with various options you can explore. Within this drop-down, you'll spot Settings. Click on it, and this will transport you to a new view where you can tweak a myriad of settings tailored for a seamless Teams experience. On the left side of the settings menu, there's a list of categories. For our needs today, you'll want to click on Devices. This section is dedicated to all things hardware related. As you click on it, you'll notice it opens a new window pane displaying your current device settings. Now it's time to focus on your audio settings specifically. In the Devices section, you'll see options for your speaker and microphone. Examining these settings is crucial because occasionally, external devices like headphones or USB microphones might not be automatically recognized. This is where you ensure they're correctly selected. If you need to make adjustments, just click on the drop-down menus next to each option to choose the correct device. Next, let's navigate back to the main Teams interface. You should now head to the Chat section. This is where your communication, both professional and social, takes place within Microsoft Teams. Find a scheduled meeting by browsing through recent chats or searching through your calendar within Teams. Once you've located a scheduled meeting, go ahead and click on it. This will reveal all the details related to the meeting and allow you to preview or adjust various settings. Among these, there's an option to configure audio settings specifically for the meeting. This ensures everything is set correctly before you join, preventing any awkward moments of silence or feedback. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your microphone and speakers are routing audio exactly the way you intend. Remember, clear communication is key, and this preparation will make sure you're heard every time. Thanks for joining me today, and a happy calling on Microsoft Teams.